From high-purity sponge titanium to precision medical titanium rods, every manufacturing step is strictly controlled to ensure stable performance and reliable quality. Sponge titanium. High-purity sponge titanium is selected as the raw material to ensure a reliable foundation for the entire production process. Raw material screening. Electromagnetic vibratory screening with customized sieves for precise particle size control, followed by magnetic separation and photoelectric impurity removal to ensure the purity of titanium sponge. Automatic mixing. A double cone mixer ensures uniform and thorough blending of the precisely screened raw materials. Compacting electrodes. Titanium sponge and alloying elements are compacted into consumable electrodes with uniform composition. Electrode welding. Electrodes are precisely welded to ensure stable and continuous melting. Triple VAR melting. Triple vacuum arc remelting improves material cleanliness, chemical consistency, and internal structure uniformity. Machining. The titanium ingot surface is machined to remove defects before further processing. UT testing. Ultrasonic testing is performed to verify internal quality and detect potential defects. Forging billet. Forging refines the grain structure and improves the overall mechanical properties. Rolling billet. The billet is rolled to achieve the required dimensions and material properties. Online straightening. Automatic straightening improves straightness and dimensional consistency. Centerless lathe. Centerless turning removes the surface layer and improves dimensional accuracy. UT testing. A second ultrasonic inspection ensures consistent internal quality after processing. Metallographic inspection. Metallographic analysis verifies microstructure uniformity and material quality. Wire drawing. Wire drawing improves dimensional accuracy and surface quality. Centerless grinding. Precision grinding achieves tight tolerances and excellent surface finish. Polishing. Polishing improves surface quality for medical applications. Eddy current testing plus eddy current diameter measurement. Eddy current testing identifies surface and near-surface defects. Mechanical testing. Mechanical properties including tensile strength, yield strength, and elongation are tested. Microstructure testing. Microstructure analysis ensures compliance with material requirements. Visual and dimension inspection. Final visual and dimensional inspections ensure products meet customer specifications. Product marking. Each titanium rod is marked for complete product traceability. Packaging. Products are professionally packed to ensure safe transportation. Delivery. After final quality approval, titanium rods are delivered to customers worldwide. From raw material selection to final delivery, Bokang Titanium controls every production stage to provide high-quality medical titanium materials for global healthcare industries.